Okay, folks, example number 3 says simplify the expression. Okay, and you know what? I should have done these horizontally. That's okay. That's all right. You know what? I'm going to do 2 times x minus 4. I'll write it out to the side here, plus 9x plus 1. Okay, now guys, the first thing I have to do, and you guys know how to do this, the first thing I have to do to simplify this thing is to multiply before I add. Combining like terms, the word combine is when we put things together. It's adding, right? That's what it means. Add. There we go. But we need to multiply before we add when we use PEMDAS, okay? And looking at this example, I know that distributive property is always multiplying. So I have to distribute the 2 to the x, and I get 2x, and the 2 to the minus 4, and I get minus 8, plus 9x plus 1. Okay, now I've got a problem just like I had in the last example. I'm going to go ahead and circle the terms. That's positive 2x, minus 8, positive 9x, positive 1. All right, I'm going to combine the like terms, and I can see that the 2x and the 9x can combine, and they give me 11x, and the negative 8 and the positive 1, when I combine them, I get negative 7. All right, so this is the answer to A. All right, well, let's look at B. And I'm going to give myself a little more space here. B says, I may use black on this one. How about that? I'll draw a line here. I'll do 3k minus 8 times the quantity k plus 2. Okay, guys, PEMDAS again, you know I've got to multiply. And remember, the sign in front of the number stays with the number. So I'm just going to bring down the 3k, and I get negative 8 times k is negative 8k. All right, come on, smartboard. Oh, all right, negative 8k. And negative 8 times positive 2 is negative 16. All right, now I've done my multiplying. Now I just need to combine my like terms. I've got 3k and minus 8k, and then I got a constant back there, minus 16. So when I do this, I'm going to get negative 5k, and then I just bring down the minus 16. All right, and that's as simple as it gets, because I have no more like terms to combine. All right, now let's look at C, the last one here. And it says 4a minus parentheses 4a minus 3. Now guys, like I told you, all right, you know mathematicians, they're super lazy. Anytime there's a minus in front of parentheses like that, it's a minus 1. Okay? And anytime I have a number in front of parentheses, that means I need to multiply. And I always multiply before I combine like terms. So negative 1 times 4a is negative 4a. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. And then I just bring down the 4a here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Sometimes it's nice. I've got that term and that term. They're like terms, but they just cancel out. 4a minus 4a is 0. So I don't even need to write that down. I can. I'll write 0 plus 3. And then I just simplify that and get 3. Okay? Great job, guys. You're actually learning something today. Maybe I should do this from home every day. I could drink coffee, walk around in my robe, and I could just teach from home. I'm going to check into that, all right, guys? I'm going to check in. I'll let you know what I find out. All right, see you at the next example.